Today's video is sponsored by M-Teeth, the leader in oral care. This is the X5, an electric toothbrush that can last over 90 days on one 6-hour charge. This toothbrush has 3 modes such as sensitive, clean, which is generally meant for morning use, and whiten, the strongest mode of them all. The vibrations are practically silent. On top of it being super quiet, this toothbrush sends over 30,000 vibrations a minute. And it has a 2-minute, 30-second smart timer built in, so you can brush your teeth for the appropriate duration. I don't know about you guys, but I usually never brush my teeth for that long, so this definitely helps. Before M-Teeth, my teeth were as yellow as meat. Now I can flush all my old toothbrushes down the toilet. This is the way to go. You can brush your teeth while editing, gaming,
bro, he was one shot,
or even driving.
Hurry up!
Oh, made me miss my light, but I have more time to brush my teeth. What are you guys waiting for? Link in the description below, as well as a promo code. Now let's get back to today's video. Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Today we are finally gonna be working on the Supra. I know you guys have been wanting Supra content. The block is still at the machine shop, but I just got word from my buddy Ziggy yesterday that it's gonna be another 3 to 5 weeks and it'll be done. Forged internals and everything will be in there. But today, let's spruce up the engine bay just a little bit since we still have the motor out. I have not even looked at this car for like 4 months. For those of you who are asking where it's been right here under this car cover. Let's see how it's looking. Yeah, it looks the same. It's really dirty. The windows, the windows have been rolled down because we forgot to roll them up. When we pulled the motor, kind of stupid, so it's really dusty. There's also this orange cat that lives around my neighborhood, usually comes into my backyard, so I think it might have been living in here. So, yeah. That's animal fur for sure. As long as there's no dead rats in here, I'm cool with that. But yeah, today we're going to be painting the engine bay. Either repainting it or, you know, degreasing it and see where we get with that. My buddy Ziggy told me that I could get away with a lot by just degreasing it. Paint might still be good enough and might just have to touch up corners here and there and not have to respray the whole engine bay. But I bought OEM paint anyways, Toyota Super White 2, just in case I need to respray the whole thing. I haven't seen this car in a while, and honestly, from when we pulled out the motor, I don't remember how clean the engine bay was, so let's see if the paint's still there. All I did was look inside the car and I already got like 40 spider webs on me. I also dropped off the Lexus because I hit something 2 nights ago driving with Arnold. We both ran over something that looked like a big long bone or like control arm or something, and it went under his car, hit his oil pan. For me, since I drive pretty low too, it just hit my bumper and gave me another little crack. So it's over at Lewis. Huge shout out to you, bro. He is fixing that crack and spraying my bumper again. Honestly, I got a crack 2 days after he finished painting it. I just had bad luck. All right, let's use the pressure washer and get all of this gunk. You guys can see it's not the cleanest or the prettiest, but let's try to make this look the best that we possibly can. All right, guys, I got so many leaves, cobwebs, and all this gunk out of everywhere just from pressure washing it. So I'm gonna let it dry with the help of the sun, of course, and then spray some degreaser that I got. I highly recommend Purple Power. This one is really good. Once the Supra is dry, we're gonna spray this, let it sit for a few minutes, and then power wash it all off. Repeat the process until we get the results that we want. It should be dry now. We're gonna spray this Purple Power, let it sit for 5 minutes, and this is gonna get the initial top layer off, hopefully, and then we can switch the nozzle to stream instead of spray. I'm just gonna full send spray everything, fuck it. Bah, 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 bah. After 1 layer of degreaser, check that out. That looks so much better. Kinda sucks that I'm doing all this right under the sun. Not fun. It also doesn't help that the degreaser just dries as soon as I put it on because it's so damn hot today. Definitely way better than how it was this morning when we started. I couldn't do anything with the tranny tunnel. Couldn't really do much. This is pretty clean. I'm gonna touch all this up. I'm gonna touch that up. Maybe sand a bit. Took out the battery. Look at how rusted this is. Oh my God. But yeah, it's not the worst thing. I knew I was gonna have to repaint anyways, and yeah, let's start touching up some spots, or actually the whole thing. So I'm gonna be using this Toyota Super White 2 paint. Got like 3 cans and should make this look a lot better. I think I'm done painting, and you guys are gonna hate me because I oversprayed everything. All the spots that I got overspray on or I accidentally painted, I'm gonna get paint thinner and I'm gonna wipe it off. I'll make it look as clean as I can. But this is how it is looking without clear coat. What do you guys think? Minus the overspray all over the place, like here and on certain lines. I promise I'll clean it up as best as I can. I might still put clear coat, but what do you guys think? Oh shit. That is fire. Looks so much better. Get you guys every single little angle because I'm not afraid to hide anything from my terrible, terrible bodywork. Not bad though, right? I really think once I clean it up with the paint thinner and when I put clear coat, if I decide to put clear coat, it's gonna bring it to life. Honestly, I might pick this back up tomorrow. It's a little hot. I don't know if I can handle this anymore. I will see you guys tomorrow. So it is the next day and I finally got my car back. This is actually the second time this month that I had to take my car back for paint and to repair the cracks. I used to have huge cracks all right here throughout the whole bumper. 2 or 3 fat cracks there, 2 or 3 fat cracks there, and a crack leading into this part of the bumper. Now it is all clean. Sheesh. Car's dirty though, but I'm so happy that this is all perfect again. I know I told you guys that I have to repaint the bumper one last time when the Supra is done, so then this car can just sit and I don't drive it as much anymore and it'll never break. But I had to do it again because it was just bugging me so much. I had something on the road. Now we're back on track, almost 100%. All right, so let's see how the Supra's doing. I left this on so that the little fiberglass heat cover from my hood doesn't touch any of the clear coat that was still wet. So let's pop this and see how well I did. Before you guys start talking shit, I know this isn't the best job. I sprayed a lot of stuff I wasn't supposed to spray, but I'm gonna try to get it off with some paint thinner. I have some paint brushes that I'm gonna use so I can get fine spots and make sure I don't get any of the spots that I wanted paint on. But yeah, that is not that bad, to be honest. Obviously it could be better, but from what you guys saw before, it was super dirty. That was super black. And honestly, these points are gonna be the main thing that you're gonna see when the engine is put in. So I'm so stoked. Let's get a closer look. We're gonna try to get overspray off of everything. Been here for the last 30 minutes trying paint thinner. It's not taking it off. It's either I'm doing it wrong or my paint thinner is expired. Yes, there's overspray everywhere, but I'm gonna have coils, so that doesn't matter. A lot of overspray on these hard lines here, a few plugs, but we're gonna delete a lot of this stuff, and an engine is gonna be right here, so I don't think it's the worst thing ever. That little overspray on the subframe might bug me, but it's not that big of a deal. This is a project car. I don't plan on ever showing off the engine bay anyways. It's just for me. Other than that, the main goal is to make this look a lot cleaner, a lot more white, and that's exactly what I did. Like I said, it's not the worst, but it's not the best. As long as this thing drives amazing, I don't give a hoot. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below if you guys think it already looks good as is, since we are deleting a decent amount of this stuff. Or should I go the extra mile and try to spruce this up a little more? Got some overspray there, on a plug there, on a lot of the hoses, brake booster, a lot of rubber pieces, mainly just hard lines and electrical wires that I got overspray on. But just picture my hand being the motor right here. That looks pretty good. All right guys, so I'm not giving up on this. I talked to my dad because I thought our paint thinner was expired, but he was like, what are you trying to use it for? I told him I'm trying to remove all the overspray I got in the engine bay for the Supra, and he was like, paint thinner doesn't remove paint, it just makes paint thinner. I felt like a second grader, but I went ahead and bought aircraft paint remover. Remover, not thinner. So hopefully this works and the paint reacts and it comes off. Let's get it. Boom. All right, so I'm using the paint thinner. Check this out. We'll just lather it on and just wait. I already put some on this hose and it was already reacting. This paint was fully dry and now it's starting to break up. See? You guys see that? That already broke apart. So I'll let it sit and it should be ready to wipe. And I gotta do that to every single spot that I hit. Even right there. So unfortunately it got a little too dark. I've been here scrubbing away and this is how she's looking. We got most of the subframe. I still need to get that spot. That side of the subframe is all good. I got a decent amount of hoses and plugs, but honestly, I'm not gonna run a lot of these hoses anyway, so it's okay. This cover, I'm not gonna run it because aftermarket coils, like I said, aside from hard lines that you guys won't be able to see once the motor's in, I tried my best to get a decent amount of stuff. Damn, that's gonna bug me, but it's too dark. Pick this back up tomorrow. I got the brake booster, got a couple hoses there. Hard lines I don't really care about too much. That spot I still need to scrub off. This is looking nice though. What do you guys think? I don't know why it's yellow in certain spots. I think it's from the light over there. Other than that, height. All right, so this is the last day I'm going to be working on this damn car. I think the engine bay looks pretty good. I just need to get paint stripper on all those little pieces and we're good. A lot of you guys always ask me what I use on my car, and honestly, I just wash it like normal. I don't have ceramic coat, I don't have anything fancy, I don't polish it all the time. You get up close, it is really dirty. So I guess it just looks clean on video for the most part. I think I haven't washed it in like a week. Sheesh. Back to this piece of shit.
I love you, Supra, and if it's quite alright, I'd want you running till the end of time.
It looks even messier than before I started this project. What? Wouldn't it be nice if you were running? Then I wouldn't have to try so hard. Where were we? We were doing this. Oh shit. Oh shit, I dropped some more. Oh, we gotta get this subframe again. Down here. If my last name started with Z, I'd be a Jay-Z in here. Bring 'em out, bring 'em out. Alright guys, and there you have it. A clean ass engine bay for the most part. Supra should be ready for the block soon, so I just wanted to make it look a little bit nicer. I'm so sorry this video wasn't the best video. It was so hot out that I could not record because my phone kept overheating. So that's why I didn't really film any of the work itself. So I do apologize for that. Next video will be a lot better. Thank you guys so much for staying to the end. Once again, Lexus getting some goodies next week, and Supra will run someday. But I think this is a pretty good job. I know I didn't show a lot of my work. There's no way I could fake this because this looks like a half-assed garage paint job. There's no way I'd pay someone just to do what I just did. There it is in all its glory. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll try to come out with more videos. I've just been a little bit busy. I'm trying to get back on track. Sometimes you just need some time for you. More content coming soon, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later. Fucking hate this car.